Hey guys, how's it going? It's Travalgar Valentine again today. Now I'm doing my Ford Escort MK3 drawing. I want to continue a bit further and do the windscreen next. So I'm just pulling up my photo reference here. There we are. Okay, so this is quite a cartoony style, this one, but yeah, it's looking awesome. Got the nice cool wheels there, the nice front end, turbo and stuff. Okay, so I'm going to start with my French curve here. Then let's do one across here. It's quite tall and skinny, a bit more out of proportion. Like so. Right, then need the wing mirror. Side window. Like so. And need another window here. Just gonna keep the angle the same. Okay. And let's curl this round. Okay, so that's good for the outline. Let's get some Copics in there. Excuse me. It's a bit early in the morning, my throat's still a little raspy. So I'm just doing my pellet marker here. I'll make this a little bit darker. Okay, and then let's get some more grays in there. So let's do these seats, which will come around here, and the Tillion there. Okay, and then the other inside of the windows will come down there. Just copying this side. Okay, let's get a bit more grey in there. Not working too well. Let's get another one. Let's try this one. Okay then, let's add a bit of blue in here just for a bit of sky reflection. Okay, that's good. Now I've got the frame around the outside, so let's just do some of that. Again, let's use the same, use the same colours, red, orange, and yellow. I'm sorry about my voice. Then a bit of yellow. Okay, so it looks good there. Don't think there's anything else I want to do. Might just touch up a few areas with the fine liner. Do some windscreen wipers just over here. Do the word Ford. Escort up here. Maybe a touch of that dark red that I used before. Okay, I think that's ready for some Posca marker for the final layer on top. So I've got did the line work, the Copics Touch 5 markers, sorry I keep going Copics markers, it's create a nice thick layer. So now for the top layer we've got a Posca marker. Problem is this doesn't work too good. Maybe I could try using a gel pen. Yeah, that would work. So we're just doing an outline around the window. Okay, looks good. Bring this across. And on this edge. And it's got the Ford Escort that I put in before. So this just creates a nice layer on top. And just highlight this a little bit. Okay, so it's nearly all finished. Just want to cover up this black line around here. Highlight in the center. Okay, I think that's going to look awesome. That was good time, my gel pen just fell to bits. Yeah, the car's looking good. Now I just need to do the side section and the back tyre, spoiler and stuff, but yeah, I like it. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you later for the next one. Goodbye.